Uh, Good afternoon, everybody. Friends, whenever I ask some questions, and if you know the answers, please raise your hands and answer me in full sentence. Okay? So, friends, first of all, raise your hands. Now, put your hands on your heads, on your ears, on your nose, on your eyes, on your mouth, and now. Friends, I write down some sentences on the roll up board. Now, who will read the first sentence? Yes, you.
This is a boy.
Very good. You, first sentence.
This is a boy.
Very good. Now you, second.
The peacock is a beautiful bird.
The peacock is a beautiful bird. The third sentence, Ray bhai.
I have an orange.
I have an orange. The last sentence. Yes, Aarti Ben.
This is a rose. The rose is a beautiful flower.
Very good. This is a rose. The rose is a beautiful flower. Now, friends, what do we call these underlined words in English grammar? Yes, you.
Article.
Articles. You.
Article.
Yes. Who will give me answer in full sentence? My question is, what do we call these underlined words in English grammar? Yes, Rai bhai, bhai, Amit bhai.
The underlined their words are articles.
Very good. The underlined words are articles. And friends, you know article very well. We learnt this in previous period. So, today I will teach, we will learn a new topic named prepositions. There are many prepositions in English, but today we will 4 prepositions named in, on, under and behind. So friends, open your notebooks and write down the topic in your notebooks with me. Prepositions in, on, under and behind. Now, look at me and listen to me carefully. What is this? Yes, Mira Ben.
This is a mobile.
Please stand up. who will correct the answer? Yes, please stand up. Your answer is incorrect. Yes,
That is a mobile.
very good. Now,
That is a mobile.
do you know what is the difference between this and that? Yes or no? Yes. So, friends, this is a mobile. And you have to say that is a mobile, but I have to say this is a mobile. Very good. Now, what is this? What is this? Yes,
That is a box.
very good. Yes,
That is a box.
very good. This is a box. Now, look here. Where is the mobile? The mobile is in the box. The mobile is in the box. Very good. Write down this sentence in your notebooks. Okay, you please stand up and read this sentence.
The mobile is in the box.
Very good. You,
The mobile is in the box.
very good. Now repeat after me. The mobile is in the box. Repeat after me. Repeat. The mobile is in the box. Very good. Now look here. What is this? Yes, the last one.
That is a marker.
That is a marker pen. We call it only pen. Okay? Yes, now you. Yes, you.
That is a pen.
Very good. This is a pen. And this is my pocket. What is this? It is my pocket, not yours. So you can say that is your pocket. This is my pocket, not yours. So now listen to me carefully. The pen is in my pocket. The pen is in my pocket. Okay? So write down this sentence in your notebook. Yes, you, please stand up. Yes, you. Read this sentence.
The pen is in my
The pen is in my pocket. You,
The pen is in my pocket.
very good. Now repeat after me. The pen is in my pocket. Repeat after me. Very good. Now look here. What is this? What is this? Yes. This is a bottle. Very good. But glue bottle. Yes. Who will say? Yes.
That is a blue bottle.
This is a bottle and blue bottle. ठीक है, गम बॉटल. ये गम नहीं, ये खुशी है. So, what is this? What is this? Jar. Now tell me. Yes. This is a jar and this is a glue bottle. Now look here. Now, yes, we will make a sentence using this situation. Yes, you.
The glue bottle in the jar.
Is in the. Okay, please stand up. We will correct it.
The glue bottle is under.
Under? Is it under?
The glue bottle is in
In the jar.
in the jar.
Now you.
The glue bottle in the jar.
The glue bottle. The glue bottle is in the jar. Sit down, please. So, write down this sentence in your notebook. The glue bottle is in the jar. Yes.
The blue bottle is in the jar.
The glue bottle is in the jar. Now repeat after me. The glue bottle is in the jar. Very good. Now, what is this? Yes. You.
That is a
Chalk. And what is this? What is this? Box. Or jar. Okay. Okay. Now we will make a sentence using this situation. Don't speak in chorus. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Yes, Ravi.
The chalk is in the jar.
The chalk is in the jar. Very good. Write down this sentence in your notebooks. Now, what is this? Don't speak in chorus. Please, yes, you, yes. Very good. This is a ball or volleyball. And what is this? Yes. Very good. This is a not table. Table. This is a table. Now listen to me carefully. The ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. The ball is not in the table. But the ball is on the table. So write down this sentence in your notebook. Now, yes, you.
The ball is on the table.
Very good. Yes, you. Last one. Yes. The ball is on the table. Repeat after me. The ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. Very good. Now, what is this? Yes,
That is a cap.
very good. This is a cap. And look at me. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है પછી શું આવે This is a cap. The cap is on my head. Where is the cap? The cap is on my head. The cap is not in my hand. But the cap is on my hand. Write down this sentence. The cap is on my head. On my hand. Okay. Now you please stand up. Give me your book. Okay. Now sit down, please. Do you know what is this? Jar. This is a jar. Now tell me. Yes. The book is on the jar. Where is the book? The book is on the jar. Write down this sentence. Now, who will make a sentence using on? You have to make a sentence using preposition on. No one. Yes,
The box is on the table.
the box is on the table. And yes,
The jar is on the box.
the jar is on the box. Very good. Next. Yes,
The cap is on the book.
the cap is on the book. And
The phone is on the stand.
the phone is on the stand. Very good. Now make a sentence using preposition in. In. Yes,
The mobile is in the pocket.
the mobile is in the pocket. In my pocket, in your pocket, in the pocket. Okay, next. Yes,
The chalk is in the box.
the chalk sticks are on the box and the books are in my bag. Okay. Yes,
The water is
in my water bottle. Water bag. Okay. So friends, we learn preposition in and on. Now the third preposition is under. दो नंबर के लिए नहीं है. What is this? Yes. Yes, very good. This is a bucket. And what is this? Duster. Table. This is a table. Now look here and listen to me carefully. You have to inhale. Oh. Now listen to me carefully. The bucket is under the table. Where is the bucket? The bucket is under the table. The bucket is not on the table. The bucket is not on the table. The bucket is not in the table. The bucket is not in the table, but the bucket is under the table. Write down this sentence. What is this? Yes,
That is a pen stand.
very good. This is a pen stand. And what is this? Yes, very good. This is a chair. Now look here and listen to me carefully. The pen stand is under the chair. Where is the pen stand? The pen stand is under the chair. The pen stand is not on the chair. The pen stand is not in the chair, but the pen stand is under the chair. Now write down this sentence in your notebooks. The pen stand is under the chair. Okay. Read this sentence. You, please. Yes.
The,
Pen stand.
the pen is under his chair.
The pen stand is under the chair. Repeat again.
The pen stand is under his chair.
Under the chair. Okay, very good. Sit down. Now we will make a sentence using preposition under. You have to make a sentence using under. Preposition under. You have to make a sentence. Yes.
The chalk is under the table.
The chalk is under the table. The monkey is standing under the tree. And you?
That box is under the book.
The box is under the book or table. Under the table. The cat is under the cupboard, etc. Okay. So, we learned 3 prepositions in, on and under. Now the 4th preposition is behind. What is this? Yes?
That is a rabbit.
Very good. You?
That is a rabbit.
Very good. This is a rabbit. And I put it here. This is a box and this is a rabbit. Now, look here. The rabbit is behind the box. The rabbit is behind the box. The rabbit is not on the box. The rabbit is not in the box. The rabbit is not under the box. But the rabbit is behind the box. Now write down this sentence. Now, what is this? Yes.
That is the duster.
Very good. This is a duster. And Ravi bhai, please stand up and say, what is this?
That is a ball.
Very good. This is a ball. Now, look here. I put the duster here. Now, look here and listen to me carefully. The duster is behind the ball. The duster is behind the ball. Now, write down this sentence in your notebook. Okay, now please you stand up. Come here. What is your name?
Tara.
Dhara. Where is Dhara? Who will say? This is board, blackboard. Yes?
Dhara is behind
Tara is behind the blackboard. Tara is behind the blackboard. And please come here. Please stand up, please. Come here. And પાછળ ઉભા રહી જાઓ. What is your name? Ayushi. Okay. Where is Ayushi? No. Don't speak in course. Yes.
Ayushi is behind Dara.
Ayushi is behind Dara. Ayushi is standing behind Dara. Okay. Write down this sentence in your notebooks. Now we will make a sentence using preposition behind. You have to make a sentence. Any sentence, yes?
The ball is behind the jar.
The ball is behind the jar. And yes,
The blackboard is behind the Jagdish bhai.
the blackboard is behind me. The blackboard is behind me. Yes,
The chair is behind table.
the chair is behind the table. Very good. Now, look at the picture. What do we see in the picture? What do we see? There is a boat, right? There is a river. There is a boy, a second boy, cow, a tree, etc. Okay. Now, yes, fish. So, friends, you have to make a sentence using preposition in. Looking at the picture, you have to make a sentence using preposition in. Now we will make a sentence. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you. Please stand up.
The fish is in the river.
Very good. The fish is in the river. Very good. Now you have to, yes, you.
One boy is on the tree.
Okay. You said using a preposition in. In or on? On. Now repeat your sentence.
One boy is
A boy is on the tree. A boy is on the tree. Now you have to make a sentence using preposition under. Yes, Amit.
A boy is under the tree.
A boy is under the tree. And yes, you, Ravi.
A cow is under the tree.
Very good. The cow is under the tree. Now you have to make a sentence using preposition behind. Yes.
A boy is behind the tree.
Very good. A boy is behind the tree. So friends, now you have to write down your homework. You have to write 5 sentences using prepositions in, on, under and behind. Okay?